In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Photos not creating a link. We will walk through a few checks so that by the end, you can reliably get a shareable link again. First, make sure the photo or video is actually backed up. Open Google Photos on your Android device and tap the item you want to share. Look near the top of the screen for any small cloud icon or a message about backup in progress. If it shows that it is still waiting to upload, leave the app open and give it some time so the backup can finish. Once the upload is done, select the photo or video again, tap Share at the bottom, then tap Create Link. You should now see Google Photos generate a link and show a brief confirmation near the bottom of the screen. If that single item still refuses to create a link, move on to trying it from an album. Open Google Photos, then press and hold on the first photo or video you want to include. Tap any other items you want in the same share. Once they are selected, tap Add to at the bottom, then choose Album. Create a new album and give it a short name you recognize, then tap Done. Now open that album from the Albums tab. With the album open, tap Share, then tap Create Link. When it works, the screen will briefly show that a link has been created and you will see sharing options appear. Now, if you already have an album set up, you can turn link sharing on manually. Open the album that you want to share. In the top corner, tap the three dots menu, then tap Sharing. On this screen, look for the link sharing switch. Turn on link sharing, then tap Copy Link. As soon as you copy it, the link is ready to paste into a message or email and people will be able to open that album. If none of that works yet, check your internet connection. Connection problems often stop Google Photos from talking to the server even when the app opens fine. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data back to Wi-Fi. After you change networks, close Google Photos from the recent apps view, then reopen it from your app list. With the app freshly opened on a stable connection, try Share and Create Link again for your photo, video, or album. Next up, update Google Photos through the Play Store. Open Google Play Store, search for Google Photos, then open its app page. If you see an Update button, tap Update and wait for it to complete. Out-of-date versions can have bugs that affect sharing. When the update finishes, restart Google Photos and try Share then Create Link again. You should see the latest interface and any recent fixes. At this point, if the Android app still will not create the link, try using Google Photos on a computer. On your computer, open your browser and go to Google Photos, then sign in with the same Google account. Select the photo or video you want, click Share, then choose Create Link. On the web, the link usually appears immediately and you can copy it to share anywhere. You have now walked through several ways to get Google Photos to create a shareable link again, both on Android and on the web. If this helped you finally share your photos, please give the video a quick thumbs up. And if you like fixes like this, feel free to subscribe.